It's T-Shirt Tuesday, and this week we got Fast Lane Detailing. Mike at Fast Lane sent us his shirt. He uses Lake Country pads, and he's located here in Stanley, Wisconsin. We love detailers that use Lake Country products, but what we love even more is Lake Country using detailers in the state of Wisconsin, because that's where we're from. So we love local detailers using our products. Thank you very much. If you're in Stanley, Wisconsin, or you're in the area, go check them out. They do full paint corrections, detailing, headlight restoration, ceramic and graphene coatings, and vehicle storage. Skilled guys, great shop. So if you wanna check them out, here's their number down on the bottom. Stanley, Wisconsin. Thanks, Mike, for supporting Lake Country. If you want to get your shirt featured on T-Shirt Tuesday, shout us a DM, and we will get you connected where you can send your shirt, and we'll give you a shout out.